Welcome back, Budgie Breeder 1 here. Okay, this video is gonna be basically like a soundboard of what budgies sound like and what the sounds mean. So hope you enjoy and stay tuned. Budgie Breeder 1 with budgie breeding fun. Budgie Breeder 1 with lots of budgie fun. Oh yeah, you got this too. So this sound right there is what I like to call crybaby, because it's just basically a baby crying for food. And the adults do it too. When the adults do it, it sounds squeaky, and I like to call it the squeak. So the squeak is basically her begging for food. Also, it's just an adult version. The squeakiness is what it sounds like, of course. This next sound is what males do. I call it the squabble, because it's basically squabbling. This is what it sounds like. Females do it too, but it's mainly males that do it, and they basically do it to court the females, or if they're happy, they just do it on their own. Sometimes it can be overwhelming, but it's okay. But as soon as the sunlight comes, they squabble. And that's why some people like female budgies instead, but it's okay with me. The next sound is what I like to call, well, it's basically a distress call, and it's when the budgies feel stressed out and they just want you to leave them alone, or they might be scared and they might be trying to get away from something, so they just squeal like that, and it's just their stress. Not to get that sound confused with the happy squawking. So the video that I played at the beginning, they were happy squawking, and that's when they just flap their wings and just make kind of the same sound as the distress call, but it's not the same thing. And the last sound is called the recall, and that's basically when a budgie chirps loud so that the other birds can hear him, and he's basically calling for other budgies. So yeah, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, see you guys next time.